Sorella is our lovely restaurant based in Clapham. We are here in Clapham Manor Street. It's an Italian bistro. I wouldn't say it's just kind of a traditional Italian. What we do is like to use just like British products, quite close kilometer zero products, and then try to make like, you know, Italian dishes, but with a little interesting touch. I would describe StoreKit like a very useful, easy software. It's just like implemented into your own website. People goes to our website, they buy through the website. We have access and control over things. With the third lockdown, obviously we just thought, that's gonna be long. Deciding to use you guys like the store kit and be able to do like meal kits. We not only have meal kits, we have individual items. So, you know, people can buy it online and then decide if they want it delivered or come to pick it up. The kit has been very popular. Our Sorella Feast is a Sorella Feast for two, high quality restaurant food at home. People love them. We are very excited to reopen again through all these online meal kits. Pretty sure like so many people that they didn't know us, they discover us. So maybe after they will come as a customers in the restaurant. So